Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix error code 0x800701e3 during Windows setup in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, press on Windows key, then type here disk cleanup. You can see here disk cleanup. Click on this, then click on OK. Then click on cleanup system files. Then click on cleanup system files. After that, close this window. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to apply. In this you type sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After 100%, close this window. After doing both methods, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys, so in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.